today's video, I like to show you the difference between a traditional Asian Mahout and a modern elephant keeper in zoological gardens in the Western world. More about this after the intro. Hello, my name is diploma biologist Tobias Dornbusch, and I started to work with elephants and to study about elephants in 1995, so more than 24 years ago. The full video. On the end of the video I will show you how to build and target sticks for elephants for the target training and protected contact system. So in today's video I like to speak with you on one side about the traditional Asian Mahouts, the elephant drivers, and about the modern elephant keepers in zoos in the Western Hemisphere from the EASA or WASA or something else. Even if this famous bath scenes with elephants looks very romantic and beautiful, the elephants stays under the dominance of the Mahout. So the bullhook or ankus is most time present. So this is a so-called bullhook or ankus, what use the traditional Asian Mahouts for the control of the elephants. There are some different kinds in Southeast Asia, but this is also a very classic one, and what you do to the elephant is pain. So punishment is a system of the control of the elephants with Mahouts. This is another example of a bullhook. The mind of the elephants must first be broken, and then the elephant stays under the dominance of the Mahouts. Ankus and chains are most time present. The elephant follows the Mahout not because of the good friendship between the Mahout and the elephant, but because of the fear of punishment. Even if the bullhook must not always be present, these elephants go no step without the commands of the Mahouts. And this goal of this way of keeping elephants most is for elephant joyrides. That's maybe joy for the tourists, but not for the elephants for sure. Here in the Amber Fort Palace in Jaipur, India, and here in Ayutthaya, Thailand. It is completely different with the modern way of keeping elephants in human care in the Western world in zoos, safari parks or sanctuaries in the protected contact system. Here the sticks are used as target sticks and positive reinforcement. And there is always a barrier between the keeper and the elephants. So, as you remember, this is a so-called bullhook or ankush from the traditional Asian Mahouts for the punishment for the elephant drivers. But this here is a target stick for the protected contact target training. And this is very different because this is very soft here and the elephant learn to touch this target of the stick and then he get food. So this is a complete different way of training. It is not with punishment, it is just with positive things and food. Also, the goals for the training are completely different. In modern elephant keeping, the training have the reasons for medical treatment and care of the elephants, not for entertainment and joyrides. So, how I promised to you, now I like to show you how to build a target stick for the target training in protected contact. I use a usual branches stick. It must be minimum 1.5 meters or better 2 meters long, not too short. And then just for the end here, because it's a little bit sharp, I like to make it softer. So I take some of this, I take it around on the end of the stick and now I fix it with crab bind. So this is the tissues and this is the tape and just I cover the tissues with the tape that is really soft here and this is then the target for the elephant. So, and that is it. The target stick is finished. It's very softly and the elephant learn to touch this soft end of the target stick. That it is.